Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to discuss about one of the indicator which we have created on the charting scanner. It's about the ADR, average daily range. By using that indicator, we can able to find out some intraday trade opportunities. So recent last video, we are discussing about the bullish scenario. So bullish kind of stock, how we can find out the stock which breaks and closed above the ADR 10 and 5 highest level, which one is highest, that we are looking for a breakout opportunity. And this video we are already created a dashboard for a selling opportunity where we looking for an ADR 10 and 5, so the lower level or lowest level when the stock is closed below, it's purely created for an intraday. And once you are finding for a option trade, so you need to focus on liquid stocks only or liquid options only. You need to find out, and you can do even some stocks will be appeared on the list. Don't go for blindly on those stocks. Only the stock which having a good liquid, you can look for a option trade. Okay. So by using this ADR period, how we are going to find out an opportunity. So look at this particular stock of Container Corporation. So it was yesterday to giving you such a good move. I have already shared my trade at this point from 808 and it went up to 842. By the next day, it doesn't break the ADR higher level. Instead of that, it is going to break the ADR lower level. So already we created some scanners which helping you to find out a 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Now we are going to use the dashboard. The dashboard will help you to first 5 minutes candle and a second 5 minutes candle, or a first candle first 5 minutes, second 5 minutes, and third 5 minutes, and finally same like that, first 15 minutes, second 15 minutes, and third 15 minutes. So to find out some intraday opportunities. Okay, so if you find that intraday opportunity, that is going to be work better for intraday. So if overall market is positive, you can look for a call side, and overall market is negative, you can look for a put side. That would be a great options where we can finding an intraday one. So let me start that one. So this is what a new dashboard, so which we have created, and only it is going to be shared on our premium group only, and it is free to access my premium group member who are already available on my premium group. So if you want to access my all premium scanners, which is available on my premium group, so one time charge around 3000 rupees. If you wish, you can join. It is not any compulsory. So you can utilize that lot of scanners available like swing trading, positional trading, intraday, breakout, lot of scanners which is available. And the new dashboard also going to be shared on the group one. Okay, so this is what a detail. So in the first 5 minutes, I don't get any stock. The second 5 minutes, I don't get any stock. In the third 5 minutes, I have the stock of Container Corporation in 5 minutes. So this is about the third 5 minutes, not a second one. So simply we can save this in a third 5 minutes. So the second, third 5 minutes candle, which I am looking for. If it is closed below that ADR 5 or 10, whichever is lower. Okay, so let me go to check the candle on the Container Corporation. I'm just opening on 5 minutes time frame. Look at this particular indicator, and this is what a thing which I'm looking for. The first candle is the opened about to that ADR higher and lower. In this case, ADR 5 would be the lowest level. ADR 10 would be greater than the ADR 5. Some of the stocks, ADR 10 would be lower and 5 would be greater. So we should consider which one is the lowest value that we are looking for a opportunity. In the first 3 5 minutes candle, the third candle only it closed below the value. Maybe if I'm going to take a sell at this low level around 846.4, that is the low of that particular candle, and maybe the first 5 minutes candle high The day high should be the stop around 12 points. Because of yesterday it's moves huge, that's why that much of risk we have from this low. If you're comparing this highest level, almost you got a 14 point, exactly nearby 14 points. So if you are ready to take that risk, you can go for an opportunity, or else you should simply wait. You should focus on only low riskier trade. And finally it came down to more than 16 point, at least 1:1 it achieved by, if it is that closed below the ADR lowest level, and it achieved 1:1. So maybe option trading, if you are looking for a ATM option, so you can go for 845 or 850, whichever is nearest. 850 is the nearest. Or some, if you are looking for in the money options, you can go for 860 put option. Sure, this move, it will be going to give you some opportunity. That is what a 5 minutes scenario. So we are looking for a first three consecutive 5 minutes, first 5 minutes. So we don't have any opportunity in first candle, and we don't have any opportunity in second candle, but third candle we have a container correlation. One more important thing, on 15 minutes ADR low and the first candle itself, we got it. One more confirmation on 15 minutes, the ADR, it is closed below the ADR. If I'm looking for low to break, is around 843. From 843, it came down to 830, almost 13 points. So we are planning to take a 1 or 2 rupees very quick scalping something in options, that is giving you, after breaks the low, it is generating you such a good opportunities by using that ADR method. And here in the third 15 minutes, second 15 minutes also we don't get any stocks. In third 15 minutes we have some stocks, like in the idea is a low value stock, almost a high lot size. I don't want to go for this, but we will check this. 15 minutes, third 15 minutes, 1, 2, third. Third 15 minutes is break the low of 12.95. It came down to 12.65, but maximum low. But I don't want to go for. Then the second stock, which forms on the third 15, Indus Tower AU Bank. So let me check this Indus Tower. Third 15 minutes candle, which forming such a pattern, it closed below the ADR value, whichever is lower. Indus Tower. Let me check. In this case, ADR 5 should be lower, 92, where you can see from this level around 192, it came down to 186, 5 rupees down. So maybe if you are looking for an intraday opportunity where we can easily get some trade ideas, and AU Bank, Pidilite Industries, AU Bank is the one more stock, third candle. There's also be another opportunity. A bank in this lows broken around 741, will move towards 734, maybe an opportunity. 15 minutes time frame. And Pidilite and MGL, Colpol. So only quality and liquid stock. Pidilite and third 15 minutes candle, that gives you some good move. And MGL, that is also third 15 minutes, and it was not giving you such a big profit, but it closed nearby the same, and it was looks like a consolidation. Okay, and even lot more scanners which we are going to create, and this dashboard which is Navin fluoride and Colpol, not liquid on this particular stocks are not liquid in option before trying for an option trade. So next third candle it is closed, and next four candle it is down. So maybe some small scalping opportunity which available on this stock. And Navin fluoride is the one more thing. That is also third candle, immediately it moves down and then recovered back and finally closed on the same. But that 15 minutes high, if you are looking for, it never triggered till end of the day. So there is no stop loss kind of thing. Maybe quick scalping when it is breaks from 3781 and it came down to 3754. Maybe around 3, the lower level is 378 and 375, 30 points. That's good enough. So from that, I have 3780, 3755. Almost 30 points is good enough for intraday scalping kind of thing. So such a thing which we are looking for by using this particular scanner. And already we are discussing about bullish sides. So that we have already created a dashboard or such a thing which we are looking at here. So yesterday videos we are looking for the same, how many stocks in the first candle, second candle. Yesterday there is a huge move on Bank Baroda and GMR Infra. Really, I'm just but GMR Infra I tried for a 64 call option yesterday, but I missed out. But it is giving you such a huge opportunity. I went from 2 rupees, it went up to almost 7 plus. So such an opportunity we can find out an RBL bank third 15 minutes which is happening. That was giving you such a good move. This is a buying dashboard, and what we have seen previously, it is a selling dashboard. So both the dashboard can be shared on my premium group, and those who are a member on my group, so you can utilize this and for your intraday opportunity. I think it is working well, and yesterday also I shared my some of the trades which I've done. So it is for giving you confidence. It is not about to uh, do this or buying this, not like that. So it is giving me such a good confident by using this, like a very quick scalping before 9:30 if you are using 5 minutes. At 15 minutes, at least 10:30, you can book your profit and you can do your job. So like that, and this is what a video which I'm trying to tell you, and both buying and selling which we have created based on this ADR scanner, and we are trying for ADR weekly basis also, and that is also we tried, and we need to check how it is working, and then once we find out that things and how it is works, then we will make video about a weekly ADR also. As of now, the daily area range is good for that positional trades. And also one more thing which we are looking for, that ADR, simply we can look how this ADR periods and the normal range also, that is what an average ADR also we can easily calculate. 10 and 5 which you are looking at, and we can easily find out the average ADR too, and that we can plot also. Maybe if it is open above average ADR and below something, we try to do some research, and it may be working well. So it is going to be shared after this video, so you will be getting to access those two dashboards on our Telegram group. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions and doubt also, you just ping me on the chat box, and if you have any other doubts and questions, you just ping me. And if you're still not subscribed the channel, kindly hit the subscribe the button and to get more. Thank you.